If you think Windows Firewall is already protecting you, then you're wrong. 90% people never touch these settings, and in this video I'll show you the only Windows Firewall settings you actually need. So there will be no confusions, no advanced jargon, just real protection. So we will open the firewall settings, and first we open the Windows security, and then we will open the settings which we require, and I'll let you know what these settings are. So do a right click in the start icon and then go to settings. Now in Windows 11 you will find a window like this, and we will select privacy and security. Now we will go to Windows security, and then the third option is firewall and network protection. We will click on that. And here. So this looks basic, but trust me, even if one of these is off, like domain, private and public network, the firewall should be on. I mean, if one of these things are off, your system is exposed. So please make sure these domain network firewall is turned on, and for private network and for public network. And once you're done, we will move to the next step. Now we need to check the allow an app through firewall, and this is where most people accidentally give permissions. So we will click on allow an app through firewall, and this will show a window like this. Now we need to check one by one that which all apps are allowed. So by any chance, if any app you do not know, you can simply uncheck that, and then we need to click on change settings first, and whatever the app you do not want the permission, you can simply uncheck it, right? And then you can simply click on OK, and that will be saved. So you need to check one by one. I do not want this, and you just need to check one by one. It should not take much time because it's a very important part, which all apps, which all services, features are using the internet. All right, so make sure if you're confused, if you do not know what exactly needs to be done, you can simply search it on Google that for what service it is being used. And if you do not know that, you can simply, once you're confirmed, then uncheck this. All right, so I usually do not play solitaire or casual games. I'll simply uncheck that. Right, so once you're done, you just need to click on OK. So this is the first step. Now in advanced settings, this is the advanced setting. This is a very important, now this is where the real control starts, and most people never come here. So we will click on advanced settings, and it will ask you to say yes. All right. And now we need to click on inbound rules. This is the window. The window will look like this. Inbound means who can enter your system. All right. So I'll select inbound and disable suspicious rule. So you just need to do a right click and disable rule. So you can have a look, and you can always check in your Google search, check it, discuss about it, and simply disable rule. So this is how you can disable any suspicious rule which is there. And then go to the outbound rules. Outbound is what your system sends out. This is how data leaks happen. So we will click on outbound rules. And here as well, you can check and disable rule, whatever you want, whatever you think is suspicious. Now you need to always do the research, do the check, and disable the rule. All right. Once you're done, By any chance, I mean, if you have messed up settings before, I mean, previously you have done something, then you can simply restore it to defaults. I'll show you how you can do that. So I'll close this window, and here we have this option, restore firewall to default, and then do these settings, which I have showed you in this tutorial. All right. So this is the important thing. Set up this once and your system is 10x saver. If you want more real security tips like this, hit the like and subscribe, and do share this tutorial with your loved ones, family, and friends. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Take care.